Patrymau iaith diwrnod 2. Cricieth a harlech. Canolradd. Day 2 language patterns. Today continues focusing on and consolidating the use of the 5 common irregular verbs bod, gwneud, mynd, cael, dod. You will be making more use of them in different persons as negatives and using the correct yes and no. Rhif 1. Gwneud, mynd, cael yn y dyfodol. Do, go, have in the future. The irregular verbs gwneud, mynd and cael have a past tense form. For example, gwneud to do in the past tense. Mi wnes I did. Mynd to go in the past tense. Mi es I went. Cael to have in the past tense. Mi ges I had. They also have a future tense form. For example, gwneud to do in the future tense. Mi wna I will do. Here is the full pattern. Gwneud in the future. Mi wna mi wneud mi wneith mi wneith hi, mi wnawn ni, mi wnewch chi, mi wna'n nhw. Wna I ddim, wneud I ddim, wneith ddim, wneith hi ddim, wnawn ni ddim, wnewch chi ddim, wna'n nhw ddim. Wna I, wneud wneith wneith hi, wnawn ni, wnewch chi, wna'n nhw. Mynd, to go, in the future tense. Mi a mi eid mi eith mi eith hi, mi awn ni, mi ewch chi, mi a'n nhw. A I ddim, eid ddim, eith ddim, eith hi ddim, awn ni ddim, ewch chi ddim, a'n nhw ddim. A I, eid eith awn ni, ewch chi, a'n nhw. Cael, to have, in the future tense. Mi gai, mi geid mi geith mi geith hi, mi gawn ni, mi gewch chi, mi gan nhw. Chai ddim, cheid ddim, cheith ddim, cheith hi ddim, chawn ni ddim, chewch chi ddim, chan nhw ddim. Gai, geid geith geith hi, gawn ni, gewch chi, gan nhw. To say yes or no answers in the future tense, it is often simpler just to reply with a positive or negative sentence. These future tense patterns give the sense of doing, going, and having in the future, without the need for the will that is always needed in English. There are no future tense verbs in English, but if it helps, think about Old English, such as pride goeth before a fall, or maybe, darling, I doeth the dishes this evening. Rhif 2. Bod yn y dyfodol. Bod in the future. The irregular verb bod in the future. Instead of talking about doing things, this future tense is about being, or what you will be doing. Mi wna I will do something. Mi fydda I will be doing something. Here is the full pattern. Mi fydda I, mi fyddi di, mi fydd o, mi fydd hi, mi fydd Edward, mi fydd y plant, mi fyddwn ni, mi fyddwch chi, mi fyddan nhw. Fydda I ddim, fyddi di ddim, fydd o ddim, fydd hi ddim, fydd Edward ddim, fydd y plant ddim, fyddwn ni ddim, fyddwch chi ddim, fyddan nhw ddim. Fydda I, fyddi di, fydd o, fydd hi, fydd Edward, fydd y plant, fyddwn ni, fyddwch chi, fyddan nhw. Bydda, na fydda, byddi, na fyddi, bydd, na fydd, bydd, na fydd, byddan, na fyddan, byddwn, na fyddwn, byddwch, na fyddwch, byddan, na fyddan. The future tense also has a short form that can be used with all regular verbs. Here is the full pattern. Mi, I, mi, I di, mi, Iaith o, mi, Iaith hi, mi, wni, mi, wch chi, mi, anhw. I ddim, I di ddim, Iaith o ddim, Iaith hi ddim, wni ddim, wch chi ddim, anhw ddim. I di, Iaith o, Iaith hi, wni, wch chi, anhw. Wna I, na wna I. Wnei, na wnei. Wneith, na wneith. Wneith, na wneith. Wnawn, na wnawn. Wnewch, na wnewch. Wna'n, na wna'n. Mi gerdda I i'r castell yfory. Cerddan nhw ddim pellach heddiw. Gerddi o gwmpas y waliau? Na wneith, beth. Notice that the short verb endings are exactly the same as the irregular verbs. Mi wna I helpu, mi helpa I, etc. Notice that the short verb endings are exactly the same as the irregular verbs. Mi wna I helpu, mi helpa I. This means that they are fairly easy to learn and recognise. Do you remember the past tense mi wnes I redeg and mi redes I? Well, just like the past tense, there are two different ways of expressing the same information about the future. Mi wna I helpu. Mi helpa I. Mi wnei di helpu. Mi helpu di. Mi wneith o helpu. Mi helpith o. Mi wneith hi helpu. Mi helpith hi. Mi wnawn ni helpu. Mi helpo ni. Mi wnewch chi helpu. Mi helpwch chi. Mi wna'n nhw helpu. Mi helpan nhw. We often call the short form the compound, cryno. It only uses one verb with an ending, instead of two verbs working together to show tense and person. Mi wna I helpu. Two verbs, gwneud, future, first person, singular, and helpu. Mi helpa I. One verb, helpu, future, first person, singular. Do you remember the negative past tense, ches I ddim brecwast? In the same way, in the future tense, there is an aspirate mutation on negative verbs. Mi bryna I gar. Ffryna I ddim car. Mi gerdda I dros y bont. Cherdda I ddim dros y bont. Rhif 3. Yr amodol, the conditional. The conditional uses a form of bod. Baswn. It expresses would. Mi faswn i'n hoffi byw mewn castell. Faswn i ddim yn hoffi byw mewn castell oer. Fasa ti'n hoffi cael gweision? Here is the full pattern. Mi faswn i, mi fasa ti, mi fasa o, mi fasa hi, mi fasa ni, mi fasa chi, mi fasa nhw. Faswn i ddim, fasa ti ddim, fasa o ddim, fasa hi ddim, fasa ni ddim, fasa chi ddim, fasa nhw ddim. Faswn i, fasa ti, fasa o, fasa hi, fasa ni, fasa chi, fasa nhw. Baswn, na faswn. Baset, na faset. Basai, na fasai. Basen, na fasen. Basech, na fasech. Basen, na fasen. Very often there is a second half to the conditional sentence, the part containing the if, the condition. Mi faswn i'n byw mewn castell, taswn i'n frenin. I would live in a castle if I were king. Notice that these two halves can go in either order. Taswn i'n frenin, mi faswn i'n byw mewn castell. If I were king, I would live in a castle. To remember the pattern, think of the word tiff. T plus if. To remember that taswn is a conditional if. Mi faswn i'n prynu castell, taswn i'n gyfoethog. I would buy a castle if I were rich. Mi fasai hi'n hoffi cael gweision, tasai hi'n byw mewn castell. She would like to have servants if she lived in a castle. Here is the full pattern. Taswn i, tasai ti, tasai o, tasai hi, tasai ni, tasai chi, tasai nhw. Taswn i ddim, tasai ti ddim, tasai o ddim, tasai hi ddim, tasai ni ddim, tasai chi ddim, tasai nhw ddim. There are other words that can be used in the conditional. Should, would like, and could. Mi ddylwn i, I should. Ddylwn i ddim, I should not. Ddylwn i, should I? Mi hoffwn i, I would like. Hoffwn i ddim, I would not like. Hoffwn i, would I like? Mi fedrwn i, I could. Fedrwn i ddim, I could not. Fedrwn i, could I? Notice that every verb takes the same endings. The conditional verb endings look like this. Un I, et ti, I o, I hi, en ni, ech chi, en nhw.